The million-dollar question in every kitchen is simple. When should you replace your frying oil? Is oil color the ultimate indicator for swapping, as many people think? The answer is no. Color is just one clue. Your oil can change color from spices, soy sauce, sugars, and other substances released from the food into the oil. Heck, even a burnt frying basket can make your oil look like ink. So how do you really know? First of all, check the food quality. If you identify a decline in taste, smell, crispiness, or oiliness, replace it. But remember, this is a subjective test. For a precise and objective indicator, perform a FFA or TPM test according to the regulations in your country. TPM measures the total polar materials in the oil. In most countries, values under 24 are allowed, but above 24, it is forbidden to fry in that oil. Check this out. This one is on 9. Perfect oil.